That's the one making all the noise. And him too. I don't know what's going on with him. Anyways, 2015 Q70 3.7 liter. I think it's a twin turbo if I'm not mistaken. I think. What we got done on this beautiful, beautiful automobile. Factory converters there, factory converters there. 2.25 pipe, true duals all the way back. Look at that sexy, sexy system. Bless you. X pipe there. 2.25 continues all the way back on each side. And then he kept his factory tips. He didn't want to replace them. They still look good. They're stainless steel. So we left them on there for him, right there, as you guys can see. There's the old system was on it. That's where it usually comes in to the cats on each side, 2 flex pipes. And then it Y's in, Y's back out. And then it goes into these. And it's just a mess, as you guys can see. So we took it all out, cleaned it up for him, set it all new. A lot nicer than before. That's before. And that's after. A lot cleaner. So anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Q70 all-wheel drive. True dual straight pipe with an X pipe. Wow, that is so loud. That sounds so good. Here's 120, guys. Again. That sounds so good. Go ahead and back it up. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. It's mean. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Infiniti Q70 true dual straight pipe with X pipe and 4-inch tips. Came out sounding beautiful. And it is all-wheel drive, guys. Really nice car. Really clean. I like it. That thing's flies, guys. Look at that. Oh, it sounds beautiful. Enjoy, guys.